Hi Forex traders, you're welcome back. This is Francis from Carries Trading Institute and you're welcome to today's episode of the Learn FX in 30 Days series. And in today's episode we will be learning about lot sizing and position. Okay, this is one of the factors that determines your profit and as well your losses in trading. If there was no lot size, there wouldn't be any profit. If there was no lot size, we wouldn't know how much money we are making in FX trading, either to the profit or to the negative side. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the right lot size for your trading so that you don't get to become a victim of blowing accounts unnecessarily. Okay, if you are a new viewer on this channel, I would like you to quickly click the subscription button and don't forget hit the notification bell so you stay updated every time I post a video. So guys, let's proceed. So we basically want to understand what a lot size is. Remember, this 10 days of the basic classes I've been taking is basically for beginner traders. I want to take them by the hand from being novice or amateurs in the industry until they become professionals in the industry. Okay, so lot size means your volume or the position of trade you are taking. In other words, the size of your trade in the forex market is determined by your lot, okay, or lot size. It simply means your position. So this factor literally determines how much profit you are making for every pip movement that you catch in the forex market, either to the profit side or to the negative side. So when you are able to catch 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pip, 4 pip, 1,000, 2,000 and even more, how much does that convert to in liquid cash? It's only possible because of the lot size you took the trades on. So there are basically about 3 types of lot size. We have a mini lot, we have a micro lot, and we have a standard lot. Let me say this again. There are basically 3 types of lot size or positioning. We have a mini lot, a micro lot, and a standard lot. Okay guys, so in a standard lot, when you buy one lot of a forex pair, for example Euro USD or GBP USD, when you buy that currency pair on a one lot, what that literally means is that you purchased 100,000 units from the base currency. That is the first currency appearing in a forex pair. So when you buy Euro USD on one lot size, it literally means you are buying 100,000 units of the euro currency, okay, because euro is the base currency of the Euro USD pair. So the values for a standard lot ranges from 1.0 lot size. So the minimum of a standard lot size is actually 1.0 standard lot size. So, and it goes upwards from 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 10.0, 100, 200, 1000 standard lot sizes. Okay, so that's what I want you to understand here. The values for a standard lot size ranges from 1.0 and upwards. This means that if you open a trade that you set your stop lot size from one lot size upwards, you are using a standard lot. That's what it literally means. We are going to subsequently see how much a standard lot size on every single pip converts to. Okay, how much is it convertible to? So one standard lot worth of 1 pip is equal $10. So that means for every 1 pip movement on a one standard lot size is $10. This is what it means. So if I'm able to catch 20 pips on one standard lot size, how much does that convert to? We said every single pip on one standard lot is $10. So if you just multiply 10 by 20 pips, it literally converts to the dollar equivalent of the pips you are able to catch on a trade. So for example, if Euro USD moves upwards for 100 pips after you buy, you are going to make $1,000 of profit because you were using one standard lot size, and we said one standard lot size per pip is $10. So 10 multiplied by 100 is actually $1,000. That's what you will make when you use one standard lot to take a trade. And this also affects your losses. When you use a bigger lot size and you are wrong on a trade, you are going to lose more money. Okay, that's why as a beginner trader it's always advisable to start from the mini lots or micro lots. You have to start from somewhere, guys, so that you'll be able to understand the dynamics of these operations. So let's look at a mini lot. A mini lot usually starts from 0.1 to 0.9. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 to 0.9. all those lot sizes are actually called mini lots. They are mini lots. Okay, we said standard lots are from 1.0, mini lots are from 0.1, and micro lots are from 0.01 to 0.09. So 0.01 to 0.09, and what this literally means is when you are buying one lot of a forex pair, that is in micro lots, what that literally means is you are buying 1000 units from the base currency. Okay, that is when you are executing a trade on a micro lot, for example 0.01 lot, okay, of Euro USD, and then you placed a trade on that very currency pair. Okay, so what that means is you are purchasing 1000 units from the base currency. When you use a mini lot 0.1, okay, what that means is you are purchasing 10,000 units of the base currency. You can see it here, right? When you use a mini lot to buy one lot of a forex pair, that means you purchase 10,000 units from the base currency. Yeah, when you use the micro lot, that means you purchased 1000 units from the base currency. The values actually range from 0.01 to 0.09 micro lots. Okay, guys, so this is just theory. Let's just quickly go and I'll show you how to apply these things to be able to determine the dollar equivalent of the trade you're about to take per lot size and per pip. Okay, so on a standard account with a leverage of 1:500, if you place a trade on the account and you use 1.0 lot size and you make $100, if on the same account with the same leverage again you place another trade but you use 5.0 lot size, you will make $500. Why is it so? It is because your lot size is different. So the bigger your lot size, the bigger the profit. Okay, and then the lower the lot size, the smaller the profit and the smaller the losses. Okay, even though the amount of pip you are able to catch or you are able to take profit on will also determine the amount of profit or losses you are able to make on a trade. So lot size is the way of regulating the profitability or the loss of every trade you place, as we have discussed earlier. So we are taking example our MetaTrader 4 platform. When you click on any of the currency pairs on the MetaTrader 4 platform and you click on new order, remember I gave you instructions on how to do that. If you are yet to understand that, please, I will refer you to the previous videos on this channel. Go back and watch the subsequent, go back and watch the previous videos so that you learn the things I'm talking about in this very video. Okay, so when you click on any of those currency pair or you press and hold, it's going to give you this option or this dashboard, and you're going to see market execution. Then this very circled box is where the lot size is where you're going to choose or put your lot size before you execute your buy or sell button. So this is where you're going to determine whether you're going to use 0.01 or 0.1 or one lot size, whether it's a standard, mini or micro lot size. Okay, every lot size has their equivalent values in dollars, and we're going to see that just now. One micro lot is equivalent to $0.1 or 10 cents per 1 pip. So for every 1 pip you take on one micro lot, that is 0.01, it's actually the equivalent of $0.1. Then one mini lot is equivalent to $1 per pip. Then one mini lot is equivalent to $1 per pip. So if you open a position on 0.1 lot size and you are able to catch 1 pip, that 1 pip is actually $1. Then one standard lot is equivalent to $10 per pip. This is how to know the dollar equivalent of the position you are taking per amount of pip you are able to take to the profit or to the losing side. So this is 0.01 lots is equal to $0.1. So let me give you the formula to be able to convert all lot sizes into dollar equivalent. What is the formula? Whatever lot size you are using, multiply it by 10 and multiply it by the number of pip you are using. Let me say this again. Whatever the lot size you are using, multiply it by 10 and multiply it by the amount of pips you are able to take on that trade. So for example, if you are using 0.01, multiply 0.01 by 10 and multiply it by 1 pip, it's going to give you $0.1. Multiply 0.02, multiply it by 10 and multiply it by 1 pip, it's going to give you $0.2. That's the same way it's going to change when you multiply 0.02 lot by 10 and you multiply it by 2 pip, it's going to give you $0.4. I really hope this is making sense. Okay, so guys, that's how to do it. When you go down to a standard lot and you are using one standard lot, multiplied by 10 and multiplied by the amount of pips. So one standard lot, we said, is $10. So if you are catching 10 pips, just do one lot size multiply by 10 multiply by 10, which is the amount of pips, is going to give you $100. If you are using 100 lot size, multiply by 10 multiply by the amount of pips, is going to give you the dollar equivalent. Guys, this is all about lot sizing. Okay, I really hope this is educating, and if you like this video, I would like you to quickly click the like button. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel, and until next time, I wish you good luck, good trading.